Hello, I'm doing this video especially for one of my fans, Aidan, and he's interested in Morse code, translating Morse code. He wanted to know how I did some translation work. And I use this website here. It's very useful. One of the things it does is translates Morse code. So if you go in there and go to Translator, push that, and then you write in this input box here what you want to translate. So I type in there SOS and then push translate, and then it translates it up there into Morse code. You can do it the other way around. You can write Morse code in there and translate it into English. And if I go down the page a bit, you can push send there, and it will give you details of how to send it to somebody. And you can send just the Morse code, you can send the sound of it, or you can send light, the flashing lights. So I'm going to push sound and light, then I push send. This brings up some details of their website, a link to the website. You can copy that link. Now I'm just going to go to my email account. And I'm going to send an email to myself. I'm going to paste into that the link that I took from the other website. So I'm just going to send that now. So I've received this email back. This is what it sent me. So it does the message up there, writes it there. You can turn this message off if somebody's practicing their Morse code, so they can work out what it's saying. And then if you play it,